Moving on to our next topic, and it has to do with the most popular genre in the movie world, and that is superheroes and comic book movies.
DC films.
Oh man!
Sure, yeah.
So with rumors floating around for some time, Variety has an exclusive revealing that their sources are telling them Ray Fisher's Cyborg will be teaming up with Ezra Miller in the Flash movie, which has a 2018 release date. Variety's sources are saying his appearance in both The Flash and next year's Justice League is intended to pique audiences' interest in the character, building towards a potential standalone Cyborg movie in 2020. Gio, we've heard these rumors before, I think somewhere near a year ago.
Well, I think when they first announced Cyborg as like a character, the rumor was, he's going to be in the
teaming
Flash.
up with the Flash, and it makes sense because they're the two younger characters.
Yeah, they're like the
in the
teenagers,
Justice
basically.
League.
Yeah.
So now with this source kind of confirming it, Gio, how do you feel about that?
Yeah, I feel great about this. This is how comic movies I saw. This is how they're going to turn out after Avengers. You're going to have other characters start appearing in.
Well, look at Winter Soldier. They're all kind of small team-up movies.
You have Ragnarok coming as well.
Ragnarok, Batman v Superman.
Yeah.
So this is good news. We haven't seen anything from Cyborg, but I have a lot of faith in the actor. Comes from a theater background. Ezra Miller as the Flash. We saw a little hint of Zack Snyder because he directed that sequence in Suicide Squad, which was a pretty good cameo. So all signs are pointing that this will be a very fun, movie. Cyborg and Flash are two of the more funner characters in the DC universe. So I'm excited for it. It makes sense.
Jake?
Yeah, I think that it makes complete sense. For one, it's a different Flash from what we know in the TV universe. We've never seen a Flash movie on screen, and it's the first time we've seen Cyborg. To team him up with someone who's known to the mass audience makes complete sense. And also, if you're a comic book reader and a Flash fan, you know that Flash and Green Lantern are the best buds of the DC universe, and we were kind of expecting, maybe like Green Lantern in there, and with Green Lantern not in the universe so far, throwing Cyborg in there kind of makes sense.
And I think Hal Jordan's going to be a lot older in this universe, so it makes. I think they're going to do that with Cyborg and Flash.
Because like the Flash and Green Lantern are so similar, they're kind of the jokesters. They have fun. They don't take things as serious. Cyborg is a little bit more serious,
and definitely this version, the way it looks like in the Justice League trailer.
If you know his origin, it's a horrible origin. It's terrible.
Oh yeah.
And he's a hardened. He becomes basically Ultron in the DC universe, just on the good side. And it hurts him all the time, and it's so teaming up with someone like the Flash is gonna be really cool to see, just because the Flash is is a teenager who just jokes around and all this kind of stuff. So I think it's a cool idea. I think DC's reasoning behind it as well to kind of pique audiences for this character. It makes sense. So I'm all in for sure.
Yeah, I definitely think these standalone superhero movies are all going to be mini team-up movies, and I don't mind that. Look how well the Winter Soldier worked out. So if it's something like that where the Flash is the main character, ultimately it's about him, but he kind of has a sidekick, a buddy with him throughout the whole entire time, that would be pretty cool. It's good that we're getting Cyborg first in Justice League, give fans a taste of him, because then they can maybe have time to change that, maybe put him in the movie more, maybe less, so we'll see how that goes.
It's almost like a Hulk situation in the Avengers.
Yeah, in a way, definitely. Kind of. I think we will. I don't know if a Cyborg movie would work on its own. It's
but look at Ant-Man and look at Guardians of the Galaxy.
I want it to. I'm honestly, as far as characters that I don't know much about, I'm most intrigued with Cyborg.
It would be interesting to see him work by himself. What does he have to fight?
Well, it would probably be another team up.
Yeah,
honestly,
so that's what's interesting.
Comes down to it. But I'm the most interested in Cyborg because I don't know much about him. So I'm really curious to see how they handle this character, and I'm excited for him being in the Flash movie. It should be pretty awesome.